Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add photos to Frameo from iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is install the Frameo app by simply heading over to the App Store and then tapping on the search icon and then tap on the search bar and then type in Frameo, and once downloaded, tap on open to open up the app. And once you open up the app, what you need to do is set up your Frameo frame, connect the frame to the Wi-Fi, then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully connect it. Now next is generate a friend code. On the Frameo frame, go to the settings, my friends, and then add friend. A unique friend code will appear. Write down or keep the frame accessible. Now the next thing that you need to do is tap on the add icon on the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll find the option that says add new frame. Now all you gotta do is simply enter the friend code that you have generated from your Frameo frame and then tap on OK, and you'll be able to connect to Frameo frame. And all you gotta do now is just simply select the photo right here, and then you can also select multiple photos by tapping on this icon and then selecting multiple photos, and then once done, tap on this red button, and that will basically add photos to your Frameo frame. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.